Hi, I'm Doug, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Corsair's earnings. So let's take a look. They produced net revenue of $529.4 million, up 71% year over year, with a gross profit of $160.3 million, up 103.9% year over year. Their gross margin was 30.3%, up 480 basis points. The revenue was $175.9 million, up 131%. Now this relates to Elgato and their acquisition of them. The gamer components and systems segment net revenue was $353.5 million, up 51.9% year over year. The operating income came in at $67.3 million, up 404% year over year. That is insane. That is just like vroom. Net income came in at 46.7 or 47 cents per diluted share, which is insane. The estimated EPS was 33 cents. So they big beat here. And for some reason, this company is down on open. Adjusted net income was $58.2 million or 58 cents per diluted share, up 420%. Nuts. Adjusted EBITDA was $80.4 million, and that is up 196% year over year. And their margin on that EBITDA is 15.2%. Don't really know what that is, but we'll figure it out. Cash and restricted cash of $125.6 million. Long-term debt of $294 million. And they paid off $28 million compared to $2 million previous year. So they're paying off their debt, which is really good. And in the earnings call that I listened to, they said their net leverage ratio was under 1, which is really good. That means they're earning money, they're paying off debt, and they don't have more debt than, they don't have extended debt, which is really good. They added 29 new products in the quarter and will continue to amplify their additions into their spaces. Their market share grew significantly in the gaming components area. PC market share is 28%. That's huge. That's beautiful. They also raised their fully fiscal year 2021 a net revenue increase from 1.8 billion to 1.95 billion to 1.9 billion to 2.1 billion. So it's an increase about $100 to $150 million in net revenue. Their adjusted operating income, they had initially said they would do 205 million to 220 million, but they have adjusted that now to 235 million to 265 million, which is beautiful. Adjusted EBITDA, the initial estimate was 215 million to 230 million, and the new estimate is 245 million to 265 million. So great increase there. On the earnings call, they mentioned Elgato outgrowing the segment and expanding beyond what they had initially thought, which we've been saying that for months now. The Wave microphone gained significant market share, and the Stream Deck commands the market share for that item. They had record sales for PC for not only Origin, but also the entire Corsair line of PCs. They are expanding their research and development by 31%. Beautiful. They have a higher pace gross to release more products throughout the year, and they want to continue that growth. They made an acquisition of Visual by Impulse, which is VBI. I don't know what this company does, what they do, but we're gonna find out. We'll do a look into them. And then on the earnings, or on the Q&A, someone asked about Gamer Sensei and what their plan is with that company, and we got a great response. So they are going to relook at the coaching roster and pricing structure they're moving away from individual coaches setting their own prices, and they're going to move more to a set pricing scale. They're not necessarily going to move away from one-on-one coaching, but they're going to expand to boot camps and other pre-recorded teaching lessons. All right, guys, thank you very much for joining me today for Corsair's earnings. They did very well. They're going to perform extremely well over the next couple of years, in my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research. As always, guys, happy investing. Don't forget to destroy that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Don't sue me if you lose some money. This is not my fault. It's your fault. You bought the stock without doing research. It went down. Boo-hoo!